Hey, so we're making some banana bread today. So in this basin, I have 2 cups of flour. In here, I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna add it here. I'm gonna mix that in. So everything is mixed in nicely. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside. And in a separate bowl, we're going to be creaming some butter. I have a half a cup of butter. So this is the half a cup of butter. And I have 3/4 cups of sugar. So we're gonna mix that up. The butter has been sitting out for some time. I think I should just do this with a spoon. I suggest. And so we're gonna add 2 eggs. These have been thawing out into the butter and sugar. And then we're gonna whisk that away. Honey, are you smiling?
Yeah.
Why are you smiling?
I can smile.
Okay, so usually people, you can use the, what call it, babe?
The mixer?
The mixer, the hand mixer, but I don't feel like doing that, so I'm just gonna use my hand, muscle it out.
Yeah, that's what I was laughing about. Guys,
Okay.
I was telling her to use a mixer, but she said no. I think she wants to do it the old traditional way.
Yep,
She's kind of a little old school.
it's what Guyanese people do, right? See? I'm beating that up. Yep. It's what old school folks do back when you didn't have a hand mixer, right? Right, babe?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. See? Yeah. So guys, traditional banana bread is just the bananas and baking soda, some salt, flour, eggs,
Sugar.
But today we're gonna be adding some cherries to, you know, cherries. We're gonna be putting a little bit of walnuts. It got some mixed essence going, and we're gonna grate some fresh nutmeg. All this is optional. You don't have to, and you'll still have banana bread.
So you can try this recipe. It's our recipe. And let us know. It will taste really, really good. You guys are gonna love it.
Just beat it up a little bit more. Okay. Then we'll add our banana. So we need 2 cups of 2 and a third cups of banana. I don't think so. We got 1 cup. And so it's basically 4 to 5 bananas you need for this recipe. So we got 2 cups of banana. Mix that in.
Banana smells good.
So you gotta get the overripe bananas, the one that almost look like it's gonna rotten at some point soon. So that's what you get. That's best for banana bread.
Yeah, the one that look kind of speckled.
Yeah.
Have that little black thing in it. Darkish color, I guess.
So here we have our flour with baking soda and salt. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon salt. In here, I'm gonna add this mixture, but I'm gonna beat it up a little bit more. Okay. Yep, so I'm gonna add this here.
You add that in the flour
Yep.
and the baking soda.
Yep, and on top of this, I'm gonna grate some fresh nutmeg. Now this is very much optional. And I'm gonna add some nuts, some walnuts. I'm gonna add some cherries because we just love cherries and love to put cherries in everything. And a little bit of mixed spice.
Mixed spice essence.
I'm sorry, mixed essence.
Okay.
Is it spice?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's, and then just mix that.
Do you want to put some pepper in here too?
Put some black pepper if you want. So just mix that up.
It smells really, really good, guys. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna taste good. Well, yeah, it did taste good. We make before, so.
Yeah, this is our like 4th time making it. So we just never put it on camera. So, but now we're gonna put it on camera. So that's it. We're just making one today.
Pretty easy and simple recipe. Very straightforward to follow.
Yeah. And so mix that in really good. Babe, my muscles are hurting me here. Okay. And we have a prepared dish here with some butter. So we're gonna pour this mixture into this prepared dish, but not until I finish getting all of this out. And we're gonna scrape this out in here. So let's see. And then just smooth it out.
I guess she's ready to bake, right?
Yeah. So we're gonna bake this for about 60 minutes. Yep.
Alright guys, so we're gonna put on this
Banana bread.
banana bread in the oven here.
And we're just gonna bake it for about 60 to 65 minutes. And we'll be back to show you the finished product.
Okay, so here's the banana bread with cherries and nuts inside that we added. As you can see there, the nut is there, cherries is there, And you can see the texture in there too. It's really, really nice.
You guys, it smells amazing.
Yeah,
oh my
it
gosh.
smells really, really good.
We cannot wait to dig in and have a piece. Yummy. So that's the final product. That's our banana bread. Give it a try. We'll have the recipe on Cooking with Vishnalini on YouTube. Make sure you have hit the notification bell on our channel so that when we post up this recipe, you can be notified and go ahead and check the banana recipe out. The banana bread recipe.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos.
Thank you guys for watching. One love and peace out.
Peace out.